Here in this question, we have to check whether the relation R defined in the set 1 to up to 6 as R is defined as, the relation R is defined as ordered pair AB such that B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. R is defined in the set which contain integers, positive integer 1 to 6, and it will contain ordered pair AB where B is equal to A plus 1. So, convert the relation in roster form. If we take A as 1, what will be the value of B? It will be 1 plus 1, 2. Similarly, if we take A is equal to 2, what will be the value of B? 2 plus 1, 3. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. But if we take A is equal to 6, then B will be 6 plus 1, 7. But 7 does not belong to the set. So only 5 ordered pair will be in the roster form of relation R. Now, here you can see, for a reflexive relation, each element should belong to itself. It means, for R to be reflexive, 1, 1, 2, 2 up to 6, 6 must belongs to R. But here it is not happening. So, R is not reflexive as 1, 1 up to 1, 6 does not belongs to R, or we can say for each A belongs to A, AA does not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive relation. Now check for symmetric. R is also not symmetric. Because you can see 3, 4 belongs to R, 4, 5 belongs to R, but its converse 4, 3 or 5, 4 or 3, 2 does not belongs to R. For all AB belongs to R, BA does not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric. R is not transitive also. Why? According to the property of transitive, if 3, 4 belongs to R and 4, 5 belongs to R, then 3, 5 must belongs to R. But there is no pair which contains 3, 5. So we can say for some A, B, C belongs to set A, let this is set A, AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, but AC does not belongs to R. For example, 2, 3 belongs to R and 3, 4 also belongs to R, but 2, 4 does not belongs to R. So the given relation R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and nor transitive.